Now, amid the second wave of the pandemic, there are a lot of discrepancies between states and centre that's exposed the shortage of jabs for mass inoculation and policy abyss.
Is India's mammoth vaccination plan to beat its raging COVID surge on track? Currently, it seems to be replete with confusion, shortages, policy abyss, and political sparring. While states and centre quibble over vaccinations, non-BJP states have gone public on vaccine shortage, the centre battling a perception war. The latest was BJP's own minister Nitin Gadkari first suggesting that more pharma companies be allowed to produce the COVID-19 vaccine to fill the shortage gap.
तो ये वैक्सीन वाली कंपनी एक के बजाय 10 लोगों को लाइसेंस दे और रॉयल्टी भी ले। मनसुख भाई, मेरा अनुरोध है कि आप हर राज्य में 2-2, 3-3 लेबोरेटरी ऑलरेडी है। मेरी जानकारी है कि उनकी क्षमता भी है और उनके पास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी है। फार्मूला देकर इनका उनके साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन करके अगर ये संख्या बढ़ाएंगे तो पहले उनको कहिए देश में दीजिए, बाद में ज़्यादा होगा तो एक्सपोर्ट करिए।
Now, the union minister has clarified on Twitter that he was unaware of a speech made by his party colleague Mansukh Mandavia that explained the government's efforts to ramp up vaccine production. Amidst opposition criticism of the government over vaccine shortage and many states unable to continue vaccine to all eligible age groups and charges that the government exported our vaccines before inoculating its own citizens, Serum Institute chief Adar Poonawalla issued a statement that his firm has never exported vaccines at the cost of the people of India. However, data clearly does suggest that our vaccine rollout has slowed down. A cumulative 15-day trend shows that India has slowed down its vaccination when it needs it the most. This clearly shows a slump in inoculation, pointing to a steady decrease in vaccination supply, while the government and vaccine makers say production is increased. That increased capacity is yet to show up in supply. So where has been the policy abyss? Even when there was a shortage, vaccine was open to all adults from May 1st. States were asked to procure jabs in midst of shortage, despite evidence from UK Covishield dose interval not increased. During shortage, vaccines diverted to 18+, when data showed 45+ were most vulnerable. It resulted in 18+ not finding vaccine slots while trying to book. Meanwhile, second dose shortage also increased. As India crumbles under a brutal explosion of corona cases, the need of the hour is to streamline its vaccine policy and roll out